Good morning everyone. Let us solve few more problems today related to estimation of missing term. One example is given here. Estimate U6 where x is given 2, 6, 10, 14. These are the values of the variable x, and y actually it should be ux. Okay, here the form of the function or name of the function is ux. Okay, and values for ux are given as 8, and the value corresponding to x for ux is missing, that we have to estimate here. And for 10 it is 17, for 14 it is 24. Okay, so how we did it in our last class? We have to first see that how many values of the function is given here. 1, 2, 3 values of the function are given. That means we can assume that ux is a polynomial of degree 2. Okay, whatever the values given for ux, the degree of the polynomial will be less than that number. Okay, fine. Now since 3 values of ux are given, so we assume that ux is a polynomial of degree 2. Okay, and we assume that delta k of ux is equal to 0. Why we can write out this? According to fundamental theorem of finite difference, if power of the delta is same as the power of the degree of the function, then we get a constant for all values of x. Okay, and the higher order differences will be 0. This is according to fundamental theorem of finite difference. See here, ux is a polynomial of degree 2 since 3 values of ux are given. Okay, so we will get a constant here, and higher order difference delta cube ux will be 0. That is why it is written here delta cube ux is equal to 0 for all values of x. Now in particular, since one value is missing, we need one equation to find out the unknown number, and to form that equation we will put some value for x. First of all, we will start from the first value of x, that is 2. Okay, so delta cube ux where x is equal to 2 is equal to 0. Now we will form the equation. See, so in place of delta we can also write e minus 1. This is from the relationship between e and delta. Okay, e minus delta whole cube u2 is equal to 0. Okay, so e minus 1 whole cube we can also write like this way. Since this is a minus b whole cube formula, u cube minus 3 e square plus 3e minus 1 u2 is equal to 0. Now apply this e separately on this functional value u2. Okay, now we are applying this, then we will get u14 3 u10 like this way. And how we get this? See, we know that e to the power r f x is equal to f of x plus rh. This is the formula. Okay, now putting the values in this formula, for suppose r is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2, what we will get? We should get x plus rh, that is x plus rh. Here x is 2, okay, r is 3, and h is, interval of differencing is 4 in this case. See, what is the interval of differencing? Values between the difference between the values of x. Okay, that is main variable. Difference between the values of x are known as what? This is interval of differencing, which is denoted by h. Now see, what is the difference here? 6 minus 2 is 4, then 10 minus 6 is 4, then 14 minus 10 is 4. That means interval of differencing in this particular case is 4. Okay, fine. So after putting 4 in place of h, we get u of 14. So that is how I have written here u14 minus 3 u10 plus 3 u6 minus u2 is equal to 0. Now put the values given for this. So u14 value is 24, u10 value is 17, u6 value is unknown, and u2 value is 8. Okay, and after doing the calculation we get u6 is equal to 11.67. so this is the missing estimation for u6 for x is equal to 6. Thank you.